So I'm currently on the queue. We have 3 minutes and 24 seconds. I've been here since 9:30 Eastern Standard Time. So I'm waiting currently. We still have a little bit of time left. If I don't get a KK slider, I'll be fine. I'm actually interested in the price because the emails never say how much they're gonna be. Generally they're like, what, 45, 50. Occasionally certain bundles will run $59 depending on what is included. Apologies for this horrible angle. I am currently at my fiance's house. So we have 1 minute and 59 seconds. We will see if I get it. I might not even be able to get it. You know what I was trying to do earlier? I was trying to see if I can buy the Isabel and Nook winter clothing because I know they've released them, but for some reason online I can't seem to buy them individually. I have to buy them with the stuffed animal. I'm not sure if that's just temporary or if in stores they would have the winter clothing or not yet. I don't know. I haven't been to the store location in a while. We are currently at 2 minutes. I'm screen recording my screen. That's redundant. But for some reason nowadays it doesn't include audio. I'm just using QuickTime. I could have sworn it used to include audio and now it doesn't. So I don't know why I'm bringing that up. That's not relevant. But it's something I noticed yesterday when I was editing the reaction video. We have less than a minute left. I live in front of an expressway, so please ignore the car sounds in the back. I'm currently watching In the Heights, so let me know if you watched that because it came out today on HBO Max and in theaters. All right, it's getting closer and closer. I knew it was coming, but it still scared me. Okay, let's see. $42. And then let me just do a quick glance. I kind of want these little freaking thingamabobbers, the little wristlets. They're so cute. All right, are we gonna get the KK disco song or just the opening theme song of? Let's hear it though. It's the opening theme song. Okay, super cute. I did see a tweet yesterday being like, why is it disco song and not bubblegum, the bubblegum song, bubblegum pop? And I definitely agree. I think I'm gonna go with the disco song anyway, just cause, you know. Last time the audio wasn't that good. It sounded super muffled, and then they mixed up my Isabel and Nook song. I'm not gonna do a birth certificate, it doesn't matter. Oh, you know what? I had a coupon code. I should have. This might sell out before I can even. I'm not smart. Okay. I have a reward thing. Let's see if it works. Oh, it's gonna sell out by the time I type this in. Oh, it worked. Okay, so I get $10 off. Awesome. And then all my personal information. Don't mind me. But with shipping, it's as if I didn't get a discount anyway. If that makes sense. I hate when that happens. All right, I was not prepared for this. I'm putting in all my information, but it always goes to my fiance's house for some reason, even though last time I did not ship it there. Yeah, so shipping is $8.85. I don't know, it didn't save any of my personal information this time. It's so weird. So yeah, with the, let's see if it goes through. I put the wrong expiration date. Okay, all right, so I got it. So let me explain something. So I had a $10, so there's a thing called Bear Club. Every time you spend money at Build-A-Bear, you get points, and then once you reach 100 points, you get a $10 like coupon or gift card, whatever. So I used it. So the subtotal of my order was $42. Discount was $10, but then shipping is not free, so it's FedEx Economy. That's $8.35, and then sales tax $3.63. So the total ended up being $44.58. So I really didn't save much with that thing. Normally they expire before I can even use them, which I feel like they should give you more time. So they sent me that coupon. On the 21st and told me it was going to expire August of the 31st. I feel like it should be a whole year before that expires. It's better to use in stores where you're not paying for shipping and stuff. Do you know what I mean? I think you can use it in a more strategic way to get more bang for your buck. But because I don't think these are available in stores just yet, I think they're going to be soon in stores. I just decided to use that coupon because I knew it was going to expire before I could actually use it, like all the other times that I've had it. But yeah, that's a little irritating. So if you do get any of those like $10 value bonus club rewards, I would definitely just use it in stores. So that being said, I did get it. I feel kind of guilty, like I feel like I didn't have to, I shouldn't have, but it'll make a good video. It's cute-ish, and then I can finally compare it to all 3 of the Nintendo plushies that I talked about. I think we could do a good comparison video so that if you're ever in New York City or if you're visiting, I don't think that's the only place you can get them, at the Nintendo store, but that's the only place I know of right now. If you've seen those big ones, like the ones that I showed you in the previous video, if you've seen them sold somewhere else, let me know. I know Target is starting to sell Animal Crossing plushies, but I haven't seen that big size. I've seen like Isabella's head. Or like, I don't know, like I've seen like Nook and stuff, but like small versions. So let me know if you've seen those big ones, because if I do that video, I obviously want like to review something that people can get their hands on, not just people that live in New York City. It looks cute, right? That's actually growing on me. I think this pose is just really weird. Like it looks like he's Elvis or something, but this pose, this is cute. So we'll see. Once it arrives, I'll do a whole video on it. This was a second video back to back. Apologies for that. But if you have any requests for things you want to see on this channel, let me know, and I will see you very soon at the other filming location, which is much quieter. So until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know if you're getting KK Slider or not.